Facing the harsh winter months can be a challenge, especially when it comes to ensuring the reliability of your standby generator. That's where the Briggs Stratton 6030A cold weather kit comes into play, specifically designed for 10,000 to 12,000 watt standby generators. This kit is a game changer for anyone living in colder climates, where generator reliability is not just a convenience, but a necessity. Firstly, what really stands out about this kit is its thoughtful design. It includes both a battery and oil warmer. These components are thermostatically controlled, activating as the temperature drops. This ensures your generator starts smoothly and operates reliably, even in the dead of winter. The kit has been tested to start at 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which speaks volumes about its effectiveness in cold weather conditions. Another key aspect of the Briggs Stratton 6030A is its compatibility with the brand's 10 kW to 12 kW standby generator systems. This ensures a seamless fit and hassle-free installation for those already using Briggs Stratton generators. Given the brand's century-long history in providing reliable engine power, this kit aligns perfectly with their legacy of quality and reliability. The kit's specifications are also worth noting. Weighing just 8 ounces and operating at 240 volts, it doesn't add significant bulk or complexity to your existing setup. It's a testament to Briggs Stratton's commitment to user-friendly design. Moreover, this kit is not just for residential use, it's also recommended for commercial applications. This versatility makes it an excellent investment for a wide range of users, from homeowners to business operators. The included generator maintenance kit is an added bonus, ensuring that keeping your generator in top condition is straightforward and efficient. This inclusion reflects Briggs Stratton's understanding of the importance of regular maintenance, especially in challenging weather conditions. In conclusion, the Briggs Stratton 6030A cold weather kit is an essential upgrade for anyone relying on a 10,000 to 12,000 Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.